Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be a quick little video showing you guys how I prepped my October daily. If you guys don't know what an October daily album is, it's basically where you journal and kind of like document your whole month of October. They usually do October dailies and December dailies. I haven't done it in a year. I think the last one that I did was in 2017, and I just didn't do it last year because it was a super busy month for me and I was just doing way too much and I didn't have time to decorate one. But this is so much fun. You guys should definitely do it if you have the chance. Even if you don't have a lot of things that you do throughout the month, you can still document little things like a cup of coffee or a movie that you're watching, which is what I do if there's nothing interesting going on, or I'll document what happy mail I received, stuff like that. So I haven't prepped the full album as of yet. I've only done a few pages, like I think 6 pages. What I'm going to do is prep the whole album as far as its pages and little goodie bags that I want to put inside of it, pockets. And then I can just have it ready for October and just have to put pictures and journaling and I'll be good to go. So I want to show you guys what I've done so far, and then I'll probably show you guys in a few weeks everything completed, all the pages completed. And yeah, then we could start in October where I can do like weekly videos sharing with you guys what I've journaled and what I've kind of like documented. So yeah, let's get into it. So as you guys know, I use crepe paper Hey Pumpkin collection for my album. The album is Simple Stories, the Snap albums, and I got the black and white one. This little pumpkin right here is a cut file that I stitched on, and I was gonna make it a shaker, but then I liked the way it looked alone, so I just did tons of layers and I put some little leaves from my stash, a little orange bow. I used the thickers from the Hey Pumpkin collection, some little mint green ones, because as you guys know, this collection consists of like black, whites, orange, and that little pop of green. I put this little puffy sticker there. And I'm trying to keep it very simple and clean this year, because when I did do my October daily, it was kind of scrapbookish, very like puffy. I might do a recap to share with you guys what it looked like. I'm still thinking about that, but this is what it's looking so far. So I got these little pocket sleeves where you get like 2 little small ones. I think these are 3x4 and these are like 4x6. Yeah, I think these are like 4x6. So I cut out, I used the cutout sheet from the collection. I did little shakers with the little numbers on each page. And what I'm going to be doing is, this is like a little decor, the little shaker with the number. And then here I'll just have my picture and then like a little journaling sheet right here. And if I want to like tuck anything, usually I do both sides, but I'm doing individual pages. I did do little eyelets to make the book look cleaner and the pages not to get all messed up, because you kind of like tossing through the book for 31 days, it kind of gets some wear and tear. But that's the first page. This is page 2. As you can see, the same idea, little stitching here and there, the little pockets, the little cards where I'm going to be posting the picture, and the little journaling. So they're basically all the same thing. And I kind of like the way this looks, you guys. I want to try something different. Maybe if next year I decide something else, but for this year, this is kind of how I want it to look. And I do think it looks super clean. The only thing that I am worried about is that the eyelets are kind of taking up a large amount of space. So I'm hoping that I have enough pages to fill the album. Well, not enough pages. I'm hoping that it fits. So these are the other pages that I have to get. I still have to get some more. So I only did do up to page 6. But you guys, let me know down below what you think. I like the way it's turning out so far. I was going to only do 12 days, being that I don't have an adventure. It's like 12 days till Halloween. But we'll see what I end up doing, you guys. But let me know down below if you guys are doing October daily. I am definitely doing a December daily. I just kind of like to have the albums, the prepping and stuff like that. And I like the clean look of this year. So yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you on the next one. Bye guys.